Hi guys, Mama Circus here. Today I have a cleaning video for you. It has been a long time coming and I am ready to get back on the grind. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. First off, let's address the elephant in the room, and that is my absence here on YouTube. I have just been struggling with coming up with a strategy that works for myself and getting videos out. I have really had a hard time making time, editing, all the things, especially with all my side hustles and everything like that. But I need to stop making excuses and I need to make time because I really do want to grow this channel, you guys. I know I say it time and time again, but I really want to start putting my all into YouTube. So if you are still hanging around, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here. And yeah, I hope I can bring you some more content here really soon. If you are new here, thank you for joining. I appreciate it. I would love to have you back. Let me just share a little bit about myself. My name is Ashley. I'm 37 years old. I am a mother to 5 beautiful children, one of which is in heaven. I love sharing all things cooking and cleaning, motherhood, lifestyle. I plan on sharing my weight loss journey here soon because I have been really struggling with weight gain and things like that. I also do struggle with severe sleep apnea. So as a mother, I would also like to, open up about my health and things like that and just kind of share my journey of self-improvement, if you will, because I feel like we're always on a journey to self-improvement. We're always trying to be better and do better. And with that being said, that's kind of how I tie my cleaning videos in as well. That's just part of my life that I'm always trying to do better and be better. I want to keep my home clean. I want to keep it nice. I want to have a safe space for my family and my kids, somewhere that they want to be and somewhere that they are happy and proud to bring their friends over to. I just want them to feel comfortable, okay? It's our home. We try to make it the best that we can. And I'm going to tell you right now, these videos are not these typical aesthetic, perfectly curated cleaning videos. This is my real life, you guys. And if you are here for that, thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button because I would love to have you back. Also, please like this video and comment down below if you are a new subscriber because I would love to say hi and build a really nice, engaging community. That is one of my goals here on my channel, engagement. I want to actually communicate and engage with my subscribers. So yeah, with that being said, like I said, thank you for being here and let's get into some more cleaning. Yeah, can you pick up your stuff, children, and put it in your room? No. Hi, princess. Okay, here we are in the kitchen. It is quite a big mess. The dishes are overflowing and the counters are just piled up with so much crap and leftovers from dinner that need to be put away. It's just like, where do I start? Sometimes I just feel so overwhelmed. But I feel like if I start with dishes first, that typically helps me get kind of like a clear head, and just seeing that pile of dishes gone just makes me feel so accomplished and kind of gives me that motivation to just keep going. I don't know about you guys, but I mean, what do you do first when it comes to your kitchen? I don't know. I tend to just try to clear off all the dirty dishes off the counters and tables and out of all the rooms in the house that I can find, and I gather those up and I just do my best to knock it all out. If my dishwasher gets full, I will hand wash whatever dishes are left in the sink, because I just cannot stand having dirty dishes in the sink when I just did all that work washing like 90% of them. So, I mean, what is it, to hand wash a few dishes? It's nothing really in the grand scheme of things, and it just makes everything look so much better and more clean and put together in the kitchen. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We are halfway through the video, you guys. I hope this video is giving you some good cleaning motivation, because Lord knows that we can all use it from time to time. Even myself, sometimes I watch cleaning videos just for inspiration, motivation, and it really does help get me going. And sometimes I just like to have them playing in the background while I'm cleaning. Yeah, it's kind of like we're cleaning together. Anyways, let's keep keeping on, you guys. Here I was just cleaning out my puppy's pen. I do breed mini golden doodles, so I happen to have a litter while I was filming this video. I only have like 1 to 2 litters a year, if that. I'm kind of more of a hobby breeder, but yeah, I absolutely love having puppies. It is so fun. Here is a little friendly reminder to smile and enjoy your little ones, even though the fingerprints are all over everything. You guys, one day we are going to miss it. Right now, my stainless steel fridge and dishwasher are constantly filled with fingerprints and stuff for my 2-year-old. But, I know one day I'm going to miss it, and it's just part of it. So, yeah, let's just learn to love the craziness and the chaos, I guess you could say. So I don't know if you have heard it randomly throughout my videos, my breathing, it sounds so heavy. And when I hear it back on my cleaning videos, it makes me just think, oh my goodness, I am a mess health-wise. I really do need to start using my sleep apnea mask and everything like that. If anybody out there has had any experience with sleep apnea or the mask and you have any tips, drop them down below in the comments, because I'm about to really start trying to use it because I don't like the sound of that, and I know that's part of the results of the sleep apnea, and also partly from being overweight, as I'm 5 foot 165 pounds. So for me, that is very overweight. I'd like to lose at least 20 to 25 pounds. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm about to start that journey this week, so I will keep you guys posted. Okay, the kitchen is all clean. Now it is time to move on. We are gonna head over to my bedroom, and then we are gonna try and knock out my daughter Jolene's room. My room is just such a disaster. Like, get ready, buckle up, okay? It's such a mess. Look at this. It's so embarrassing. And while I sit here and say it's embarrassing, I still show you guys. You see, that's what this should all be about. We gotta be real and authentic, okay? Sometimes our houses get behind, they look crazy, and that literally can happen in just a matter of days, okay? My room could be spotless, and it could look like a bomb went off on it 3 days later, okay? And anyways, here I am making my bed. I was in the process of getting a new bedspread, so I used this one that my mother gave me. It was so funny. None of my bedding matched or anything. Actually, my whole house needs new rugs and pillows and blankets and stuff like that, but I'm going to get it bit by bit because I really want to focus and get, pieces that I actually want and that I'm going to use more than just a season, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm taking my time this time in being more selective about what I put in my home, because I'm just tired of the over consumerism. I'm just tired of purchasing every 6 months, new pillows, new blankets, new rugs. I want to get things that will actually last and that are kind of classic. I'm loving the little bit of granny cottagecore style. I think that is super cute. But yeah, I'll have to show you guys my new bedspread. It is absolutely adorable. And just so you guys know, I didn't get much footage of me cleaning my room because I did have to stop and take my daughter to soccer practice. So we got a little bit of a break there. And honestly, I did not get my room totally finished. I'm just going to be honest with you. So yeah, that's why there isn't much more footage of my bedroom beyond what you see here. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. Like I said, this video is to give you some good cleaning motivation, and that's life. Sometimes we can't clean for 6 hours straight. We have kids, we got to stop, we got to pause, and we got to go take them to practice or go here or make dinner. So you know, it just is what it is. And I'm just trying to go with the flow, you guys, and do my best over here. I hope you guys are hanging in there. I hope you guys are getting some good motivation from this video. Thank you so much if you've made it this far. We are almost to the finish line, you guys. Pro tip, get a broom and just sweep all the toys into a pile. I'm telling you, it is a total game changer and makes cleaning your kids' room up so much easier and quicker. All right, you guys, look at the haul. So much dust, so much dander, and my dogs don't even shed, okay? Anyways, thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the things, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.